Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Cyrus. Some of you guys know me as Syrious, I don't know. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my new 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Part of me wants to keep this car as OEM as possible. So we'll see. We'll see. But I say things like that and then I kind of lose my mind. Perfect. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Cyrus, and first of all, I just want to say thank you guys so much for getting the channel to 1K. It means so much to me. Thank you guys so much. When I started planning this out in the beginning of the year and was trying to make predictions of when I'll hit 1K, I actually predicted I would get there in October, and we got it July 2nd, so that's the beautiful thing. I'm so happy that we got it. Thank you guys so much. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We do crazy shit over here, so yeah. But today's video, I wanted to tell you guys that I finally picked up a motor for the EK. I'm kind of sorry I didn't do like a paint reveal, but I was thinking about it and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna wait until I actually have like a good amount of worthy news to talk about the EK, and when I know we'll be able to get right back into rolling a lot of content. So you know, I don't like throwing up videos where I just don't have too much to talk about, and I'm just like throwing up videos to have videos up. I'd rather have quality up, you know what I mean? So yeah. But I want to go ahead and show you guys the motor. Some of you guys guessed it right. Actually, nobody guessed it right. In the last video at the end, I said leave down in the comment section what motor you think I'm getting. A lot of you guys thought B series, a lot of you guys thought K series, but you guys didn't guess the exact motor. So right here we have the motor. It is a
damn son, where'd you find this?
B18C1, and since it has a 2 right there, I believe that means it's a 1995. So this came out of a 1995 Integra GSR. Luckily, when I bought it, the guy, he said the engine's already been honed and decked, so I don't have anything to worry about. Honestly, he said I can pretty much just put it all together if I wanted to. The reason why he was selling the engine is because Corona, having tough times with Corona, and had to sell it. So, and I just happened to be in the market for one specifically. This is the motor that I wanted, so it was either this or try to find like a B16, and I'm so happy I found a GSR that's already in a position where I can just put it back together. So that was another thing as well. I'm happy that it came like broken apart, so that means I get to learn how to build the motor, which is awesome. And I got the oil pan right here, some more parts, but yeah, we're gonna do something pretty crazy with this too. Probably gonna do wrinkle paint, so stay tuned for that. But alright, but yeah, so when it comes to this motor, it's going to be completely stock. It's basically going to be a stock motor minus like Wiseco piston rings, ARP, head bolts, and rod studs. My bad, ARP rod bolts and head studs, and yeah, that's about it. Like, other than that, it's going to be a pretty much completely stock, golly, trucks, man. It's going to be a completely stock GSR motor. But right now, like I said earlier, I'm looking for a transmission. I'm looking for basically a majority of the accessories. My goal is to run AC in this. I don't plan on boosting this, so just, oh, this also has Type R pistons. Oh God, a wasp. Oh man, all right, we're good. But also it has Type R pistons. Like, other than that, this motor is going to be basically stock, so I'm happy. So if any of you guys are in the Clean area and you happen to have a LS or GSR transmission, let your boy know. Please let your boy know. But yeah, like I said earlier, I'm sorry I never gave you guys a reveal on the EK. This is the paint. It came out okay. I mean, you guys saw it in a couple of the other videos when I was like getting the Type R dynoed and all that jazz, but yeah, it's a little dirty right now due to rain, etc. But honestly, it came out meh. Like I said, when I was doing these, when I was making the videos for the paint, I'm just gonna try my best, and that's all I'm going to expect. So yeah, I mean, it's drivable. You know, I'm not like embarrassed to drive it or anything. I'm pretty proud of myself. This is a project car anyway. Maybe one day, eventually, I'll go ahead and actually throw this in for body and paint, like legit have someone do it. Because if you guys remember, over here, the right quarter panel, super bumpy, wavy. Yeah, I want to get all that out. That'll be dope to have a fresh chassis. Probably have to get new doors and then get that dent out. But yeah, it's not a bad car. I'm happy with it. I appreciate it. Oh yeah, I also came across what's over there? I also came across a GSR blade, another one. So I just need one more GSR blade. So yeah, anybody has a GSR blade and they're in my area, let your boy know. So I can get all 4 GSR blades going on, you know, with the GSR motor, and yeah, you know. I think you guys can see the direction I'm trying to take this car now. So yeah, that's pretty much the video. It's just more of an update video, and thank you guys so much for getting me to 1K. Yeah, next few steps of this build will be basically piecing together everything I need to actually go ahead and start the swap, and then we'll start the swap. So it's going to be a learning process. I'm going to have to learn how to put together the engine, and I'm probably going to like clean the engine. I don't know if I'll repaint it or anything, but yeah, we're definitely going to be cleaning it a little bit, the outside and stuff. I don't know if you guys want me to make videos on that. If you want me to, I definitely can. So yeah, you guys can learn with me. But yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much. Later. Surprise! Bet y'all thought y'all saw the last of me today, didn't y'all? Nah, we got a lot more planned. Woo. Some Tiger in front of us. Can we move? Can we do something? Alright, if we ever get a spot, I'm vlogging off my cam tonight. I mean, off my phone tonight. Phone cam vlog. Slammed. Alright guys, so we just made it to this car meet. I'm gonna go walk around, show you guys a bit of the cars, see how that goes, and I will see you guys shortly. So stay tuned, see if we can see some pretty nice setups out here. Yeah, brother. To end the night.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. How can I help you?
That'll be all.
470T, bro.
Awesome. Appreciate it. Well, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning into another video, and I got one more thing for you guys. Thank you so much for making it this far into the video, and now you guys get to learn about the giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away a Syrious Media shirt, a jet tag, and an air freshener. You can either have the set of black or you can either have the set of white if you're the winner. So basically, if you won the black set, you get a black t-shirt, black air freshener, black jet tag. If you win the white set, you get a white t-shirt, white jet tag, pink and blue air freshener. So the winner gets to choose, and all you have to do is write in the comment section VTEC boy. Oh, sorry. VTEC boy. And all you need to do is write in the comment section VTEC baby. All right, and either in the next video or the video after that, I will announce the winner. So thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the car meet. I hope you enjoyed the little update. We got a GSR. I'm so excited. Just need a couple more things. Like I was saying before, if you are able to help me find those things, please message me. I'd really appreciate it. But thank you guys so much. Dang, I'm super zoomed in. I just realized that. But thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.